offered appointment on probation.
Omu rukiiko rw'akakiiko ka disitulikiti akakuru orw'abahambuga nkuru za disitulikiti ya Hoima, chairman wa disitulikiti egi Uthman Kadri Junior nagira ngu bakijumbwire ngu omuhandiiki w'akakiiko k'ebyemirimo Francis Busobozi akejunisa ofisi y'okwehereza omurimo gwa principal human resource manager aha bwa disitulikiti egi.
Akaluzinga emiliyoni ezikuhingura mu 8 mu misango busanga eretereze iwe district service commission na someone is na intention to sue ezindi copies zona tuzina ezabanda bajja kunyegera. Hali tuina the district forest officer, hali tuina the treasurer n'abandi bayingi muno, na hali tuina zino promotion zikaini zikolebwa illegally kabuko utukazi saza mututi ayafunye promotion najja agenda mu court okuba tagiye hundi.
There is in the public service you are promoted from youth. We have ladders. It's like in the army. You cannot be a brigadier when you have never been a captain.
Uthman Kadri nagira ngu ebyona byishikirweho bwa nyuma y'abantu bingi okutwara district omu koota habwo kushaba emirimo bakarabamu bitu bakaburwa kugihebwa.
Zimu is related to the wrong adverts bakugamba ziri wrong. The guidelines ziri clear. So alina abandi abakozi ba government ababaire promised aba district butenda kuluzinga imisango nyingi bagoinga into understanding with the former chief administrative officers ngo atujja kufuna litukuteeka tunabateeka nkaha kandi abandi balifuna dihi opportunities.
I don't give marks. My duty is to guide the commission members.
You're the technical advisor to the commission?
Yes.
Yes.
Because now if you call me this meeting, then you stay with us as such a person.
You signed it there, right? You signed it there, right?
Yes. But then if
what will anomaly
give me time to express myself about
you have the time, you express yourself.
Because now this is a meeting that was
because my office has called you to explain yourself. You have refused it. That's why we have handed over the case to police, because you have refused to express yourself before us.
Uthman anashoborra ngu hati bachwire mungu akwatwe kandi bamuchondozeho ahabwo kufereza district sente.
Agenda narolero mwana na yeregesa buli kimu kyo narolero mwana na tunde ebintu bya byono muka abandi bakutunda na mataka kurango mwana asomere. Naija kufuna mulimo gwa government. Ni omusaba sente. Obiro muno mulimo natabufuna. Kitugya kikirize.
Mamuno chairman wetu wa district ya Hoima ukitinisa Kadri Junior habwe kintu ekibero kiro kya kyalero kino tukale tulibata muno omuchoke bikwahukana abantu nibetomboita abazaire basomesiza abana batuzire bibanja byabo bagoze mirimo omwana kujja kutunga omulimo ha district aina kumasa garuka ya sente abantu bagirumba manelenda batwera majugabo omwana omuta yakasoma akasomesebwa mpaka yambibwa buyambibwa bamusabire sente nyingi kutunga omulimo orudi no kutunga na mali atakozereki atabutungire.
Hira Leto Musime ori omwe habaru kushitama akakiiko ka district ak'ebyemirimo yajumerera ekikorwa eki.
Aba Hoima district ngo chairman bako nakora bintu hali abatakusemererwa ito tugarukeyo tumusabire kandi tungere niko chairman yongere kuba mu mezi kurungi mune bya mobile radio mu kubijuka nibenda kumutomera mukishoka haihi na mbere se bakozereki bamutomereye
oguba mukwasa polisi ngwetandike kumuchondozaho gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.